Intro 2.7 Classwork. In this activity, all about errors, you will explore various types of errors in Python programming and learn how to identify and fix them. Here's what you'll accomplish. Review code and output. Analyze and understand a sample program that interacts with the user and prints different statements based on input. Predict the output based on different names provided and explore whether the code always produces two statements. Understanding error types. Learn about 5 major types of errors in Python. Name errors. Understanding how using undefined functions or variables leads to errors. Type errors. Recognizing errors that occur when incompatible data types are used together. Indentation errors. Identifying issues caused by incorrect use of indentation. Syntax errors. Learning the common syntax issues that prevent code from running, like misplaced parentheses or quotation marks. Logic errors. Exploring how your code can run without errors yet fail to produce the expected results. Hands-on error identification. Write comments defining the 5 types of errors in your own words. Produce examples of error-causing code, such as lines that will intentionally trigger name errors, type errors, syntax errors, and indentation errors. Create a small program that contains a logic error to understand how these errors can appear in functioning code. Debugging practice. Examine a block of code with intentional bugs to gain experience in troubleshooting and correcting errors. Fix issues such as missing or incorrect syntax elements, ensuring proper flow and function in your program. Bonus challenge. Test your problem-solving skills by creating a line of code that produces a new, unique type of error that you haven't encountered before. By completing this activity, you will gain a solid foundation in understanding errors, enhancing your debugging skills, and improving your overall coding competency. This knowledge is crucial for becoming a proficient programmer, as it empowers you to resolve issues efficiently and write more robust code. Get ready to tackle some coding challenges.